Hello, welcome to Piece of Energy. Today we're going to do an unboxing of our newest crystal box.
Cosmic Crystal subscription box. So this one is our favorite subscription box because it gives you usually like 3 crystals, I would say, and it always gives you a card inside and talks about the descriptions. So if you're a beginner, this is a really good box to really build your collection because it will tell you what each crystal is good for.
Right, and this one's for the month of March.
Yeah, this is March. All right, so let's open it up. This is what it looks like. Cards on top.
They're always packaged so nicely, right?
Yep. All right, two are right on top. So I see there's probably a theme already. We got 2 blue ones. And a third one is also blue.
Oh, interesting. 3 stones today?
3 of them.
All right. I'm going to close up on these and we're going to read to you what's on the cards. All right. Can you tell which blue stone is which?
Yeah, this one here is sodalite. So she's got it wrapped up. So nothing breaks.
Lots of sparkles in that one. That's a nice size rough stone, right? Not polished at all, but you can really see the shine in there.
All right, so this is sodalite. Sodalite helps us know ourselves at a deeper level, giving us a renewed sense of confidence and self-esteem. Sodalite is an ideal stone for those who are oversensitive, defensive, impulsive, or prone to anxiety or panic attacks, to stabilize the mind and allow a shift from emotional to rational.
All right. And what's the next one, Katie?
This one in this cute little bag looks like blue quartz.
Okay. What do they tell us about blue quartz?
Blue quartz is a soothing and calming stone, bringing a relaxing, peaceful vibe to any situation. It enhances organizational abilities, self-discipline, and orderliness by balancing the throat chakra and enhancing communication between upper and lower chakras. Using blue quartz also helps improve one's communication skills.
And the third one is also wrapped in a nice protective banner there.
That one's a little flaky.
Oh.
So I know I got this one right. This one is blue kyanite.
Oh.
Which kyanite is one of the more fragile ones. Usually it's like almost looks like a stick.
Like a wafer.
Yeah. I'm just going to put this one down so I don't.
Okay.
Alright, so kyanite. This aligns the chakras, bringing tranquility and calming effect to your entire being. It encourages self-expression and speaking one's truth. Kyanite is an excellent stone for meditation and attunement. It balances yin-yang energy and dispels blockages, moving energy gently through the physical body. It can be used to promote lucid dreaming and astral travel. This is a throat chakra, and it works for the zodiac signs Aries, Taurus, and Libra.
Okay, very nice. Now look at how that description is so different than the other 2 blue stones.
Yeah. All right, so there you have it. Our March subscription box, Cosmic Crystal box. If you're interested in this box, you can get it from the link down below. You can sign up for 1 month and just get one box, or you can do, I think it was 3 months you could sign up for, or 1 year.
Yeah, you could try it without subscribing for the whole year, but we find it helps us build our collection and learn more about all the different stones that, you know, are popular.
Yeah, so this is definitely a blue box. So some of these, I don't have a blue quartz, do you?
No.
So we have some learning to do on how we're going to use them. This one's a little bit delicate, so it'll probably go on display somewhere.
Right. One of our glass cases.
So we'll see you next month with the next box.
Yep, come back and see what we discover then. And we'll have some other things along the way this month too.
Yeah. All right, see you guys later.
Thanks for watching.